This is a beautiful split 4-level home, has all the luxuries. On the main level, the updated kitchen features gorgeous cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. The living room, dining area, and kitchen are open concept with sliding glass doors to the multi-level deck of the dining room. The second-level master bedroom features a vaulted ceiling, plenty of room for large furnishings and a sitting area. The master bath has dual sinks, a tub and shower combo, a large, deep jetted soaking tub, and 2 huge walk-in closets. The master bedroom also has sliding glass doors leading out to the multi-level deck. On this level is also a nice-sized bedroom with big walk-in closet and full bath. On the lower level is a family room with fireplace, a full bath, and 2 large bedrooms, both with large walk-in closets. The lowest level is partially finished, plumbed for a full bathroom, and has egress windows so it could be converted into an additional entertaining space or guest suite. The attached G